I'm sure many students have a question. What is the difference between computed property and methods? Let me ask you a different question. If you do not know computed property, can you still reverse a given string? The answer is yes. So we can use methods in Vue to achieve the same purpose. Okay, so here's how I do it. In this example, there is a function called reverse message. I haven't defined it yet. Okay, so I'm simply just calling this function from a mustache notation. This is okay. In methods, don't worry about this computed. Let me close this. I'm going to define a method called reverse message. And here is a function. In this function, I'm going to use the same trick, this dot msg dot split dot reverse dot join. I already copied this. I will paste it here. It's the exact same code as in 06. To make sure that you guys know this is not from computed property, but it's from method, I'm going to type something here, console.log. So this is from a method call. All right, I'm going to launch it in here. Now, don't worry about the sum for now. Just look at the reverse message. Message is hello. After we reverse, we should have OLLEH. Refresh. As you can see, we have this OLLEH. Okay. I already have a question. Since we can do it in either methods or computed property, what is the difference? Or what is the advantage of using computed property over methods? So let me show you what happened. In this sum, so now let me show you another property that I defined here. It's called sum. In sum, we have a function. We're going to print, this is from, let me show, this is from computed. This is from computed property. And in here, we're adding up from 0 all the way to, in this case, 100. And everybody know that if you add up from 1 to 100, you got 5050, right? Okay. And then we're going to return total. Over here, we have sum. So here we're trying to call this computed property. We're going to print 5050. The interesting happens that if we call this property multiple times, so we're going to call the property 3 times. And the same thing here, we're going to call this reverse method 3 times. And I'm going to open F12, and you can see the console. Because every time we call reverse message, we're going to print this is from a method call. In this case, we're going to print the reverse string 3 times. And in the console, we're going to see this is from a method call 3 times. So no surprise, because every time we call it, we log it once. What about computed property? I'm pretty sure the first time you call sum, we're going to definitely have this is from computed. But what about the second and third time? Without further ado, let me refresh the page. We're going to see 3 5050 and 3 OLLEH. So this is from computed. This is from method. This is from method. That's it. So it looks like when we use computed property more than once, this function only gets called once. So the difference is really that computed properties are cached based on their reactive dependencies. So if we're using the same computed property without changing anything, then Vue is smart enough to know that, hey, I'm not going to compute it again. That's a waste of resources. So I'm simply going to use the cached value for the second and third one. So that's the difference between using a method and a computed property.